Hello, my name is Mohammad Saudarif, and I will be teaching you Primavera P6 Basic to Advanced course. So, I am an Oracle certified trainer and engineer by profession, having 15 years of experience in managing EPC projects. I'm currently engaged in planning portfolio of projects. I have managed around 2 billion plus USD worth of projects to date. I've taught around 1,000 students. Course introduction. So the course is designed in such a way that it's an comprehensive course, and I will be teaching you from the basic to the advanced level. It's a practical hands-on learning, and I will be sharing real-world project examples with you. The project course is structured in such a way that anybody from the beginner to the advanced level can benefit from this course. How is this course different from others? So I will not only be teaching the project management basics, but I will be also sharing a Primavera theory, and will be giving you practical hands-on real EPC projects. Why learn from me? I have extensive experience with Primavera P6, as I have worked in various industries such as oil and gas, steel plant. I worked on solar projects. I worked on HDP pipe construction. I worked on infrastructure projects, grid station, and transmission line. I have a proven track record of delivering successful projects implementation, and I have an experience in training and mentoring professions. How this course can help you? So this course will not only enhance your project management skills, but also improve your employability and career prospects. You will gain practical knowledge that will be applicable to real projects, and once you have learned, you can join a community of like-minded professions. So the course is divided into two sections, section A and section B. In section A, we will be discussing the following topics. Number one topic we will discuss is what do you mean by project and how do you define project success. So as I said earlier, that I will be sharing the basic concepts of the project management. I'll be sharing the Primavera theory, and then I will be taking you to the practical part. So in this section A, I will be teaching all the theoretical part. So in the second topic, I'll be discussing about the project management, what is project management. In the third topic, we'll be discussing the major difference between project planning and scheduling that is mostly asked in the interviews. The fourth topic, will be discuss why do we need to do project scheduling. Fifth topic, we'll be discussing about how and what measures can you take to make the project successful. The sixth topic, we'll be discussing about why do we need software for our projects. In the seventh topic, we'll be discussing about the benefits of using integrated project management software. In the eighth topic, we'll be discussing what is Primavera P6 and its advantages. The ninth topic, we'll be discussing about how is data structuring done in Primavera P6. In the tenth topic, we'll be discussing how does EPS and what does EPS and OPS represents. In the 11th topic, we'll be discussing about understanding the projects. In the 11th, in the 12th topic, we'll be discussing about calendars. In the 13th topic, we'll be discussing about WBSs. In the 14th, we'll be discussing about the activities. In the 15th, we'll be discussing about the relationships. In the 16th, we'll be discussing about the different activity types. In the 17th, we'll be discussing about the constraints. In the 18th lecture, we'll be talking about the purpose of grouping and sorting. In the 19th, we'll be discussing about filters. In the 20th, we'll be discussing how do we schedule and update a resource schedule. In the 21st, we'll be discussing about the how to create roles and responsibilities and what's uh, the difference between both of them. The 22 will be discussing about the assigning roles and responsibilities. In the 23, we'll be discussing how do we schedule and update an underscore schedule. In the 24, we'll be discussing about the managing project scheduling. In the 25th, we'll be discussing about the theoretical part of earned value management system. So when we will be go to section B, we will have an ample knowledge and the theoretical grip on the Primavera, and then we'll be shifting towards the practical part. In the first part, we'll be learning how to download the latest Primavera P6 software. In the second part, I will be helping you to create a real APC project by using BOQ and drawings. And just recall again, this will be a real project. In the third part, we'll be discussing how to upload the cost from the BOQ in your Primavera P6 schedule. And the fourth part, we'll be discussing how to create an S curve on the Primavera P6 as well as an Excel. In the fifth part, we'll be discussing how to create a different tracking sheets for reporting and percentage completion, that is procurement sheet, different sheets for tracking your physical progress at site. In the sixth topic, we'll be discussing how to update a resource schedule. In the seventh part, we'll be discussing EVM, and the eighth part will be a thank you note. So get ready and